Your one like and subscribe could help put food on someone's table. Please watch till last second.
Running a small business is not a joke. One minute you're handling customers and the next minute you are chasing invoices. And before you know, you have spent another 14 hours just trying to keep things afloat. But what if you could put some of those tasks in autopilot? And what if AI could take over those boring repetitive works while you focus on growth, strategy, and maybe even a little bit of free time? That's what today's video is all about. AI tools that are changing the game for small businesses. Hello and welcome back to our channel where we discuss applications and tools that can make life easier. Hitting in the list at number 1 is QuickBooks AI. If bookkeeping and accounting feels like never-ending headache, this tool is about to become your best friend. QuickBooks doesn't just record your transactions, it learns your habit, automatically categorize your expenses, and give you crystal clear insight into where your money is going. On top of that, it predicts your cash flow so that you are never caught off guard, and it generates tax-ready reports with just a click. Imagine walking into the tax season without stress, without the shoebox of receipt, and without those late-night calculator sessions. That's the power of AI in your finances. Zoho People's AI take over the hassles of HR by automatically handling schedules, attendance, and even employee requests. Got staff asking the same HR question over and over again? This built-in AI chat box takes care of it instantly. Need performance tracking? It does that too without endless spreadsheets. It's like having an HR manager on call 24/7, making sure your team runs smoothly while you focus on the bigger picture. Coming in at number 3 is HubSpot CRM with AI. Sales are the heart of your business. But let's face it, following up with a lead, remembering who to contact, and keeping everything organized can be overwhelming. HubSpot uses AI to predict which leads are most likely to convert so that you know exactly where to focus your time. It automates follow-up emails, keeping conversation alive when you're busy. And it stores every interactions in one clean dashboard. Picture this, instead of scrambling to remember who you talked last week, HubSpot AI whispers, "This is the person to call today," and that's how you close more deals with less efforts. Sliding in at number 4, we got TDO AI. Customer service can make or break businesses, but hiring a big support team just isn't realistic for many small companies. TDO AI chatbots gives your customers instant answer, whether it's tracking an order, asking about the store hours, or checking product details. And the smart part, it knows when a question is too complex and hands it over to a human. This means faster response time, happier customers, and more sales without you having to stay glued to your inbox. At number 5 is Zapier. Now, this one might be the glue that holds your entire business together. You're probably using multiple apps, emails, spreadsheets, CRM, social media, and switching between them wastes hours every week. Zapier connects them all so they talk to each other automatically. Let's say a customer fills out a form on your website. Zapier can instantly add the data to your CRM and send a thank you email and update your Google Sheet, all without you touching a single button. It's like hiring an invisible assistant who never drops the ball. At number 6, we are talking about e-commerce with Shopify AI tools. If you run an online store, you know how tough it is to keep with product descriptions, inventory, and customer personalization. Shopify's AI take those tasks off your plate. It auto-generates SEO-friendly product description that actually sells, track customers' behavior to create personalized shopping experience, and predict inventory needs so you are never left overstock or worse, out of stock. In short, it gives your store the same intelligence as a big box retailer but without the huge budget. And finally, hitting in the list at number 7 is Pictory AI. Content is king and video content is the crown jewel. But producing professional looking video can eat up days of your time. Pictory changes that by taking any blog post, articles or script and turning it into a polished video in minutes. It adds captions, create highlight clips for social media, and saves you hours of editing. Suddenly, your business looks like it has a full production team, even if it's just you behind the scene. So, there you have 7 AI tools that can transform the way you run your small business. But here's the big question, which one of these would save you the most time? Imagine your finances handled by QuickBooks, your team managed by Zoho, your sales boosted by HubSpot, your customer supported by TDO, your workflow automated by Zapier, your online store optimized by Shopify, and your marketing supercharged by Pictory. Wouldn't that completely change the game? And here is the real thing. What happens when all these tools starts connecting with each other? What happens when your CRM talks to your customer service AI, which talks to your e-commerce platform, which then triggers automated marketing videos? Are we heading towards a world where businesses practically run themselves? Or if the human touch always be the missing piece that makes it all work? If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share and subscribe. Till then, I am taking my leave. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching.